This is an AI clone of myself that I created with only a few minutes of video footage using HeyGen, one of the best avatar creation tools available today. You can create a digital clone of yourself or get access to over 120 pre-built avatars that can speak over 300 languages. Mira esto. Estoy diciendo esta oración en español, aunque en realidad no hablo español. This could save you a lot of time and money, especially if you need to create videos at scale for training, education, UGC, sales, marketing, or social media. And HeyGen recently added new features like full body motion avatars and a powerful video translator with matching lip sync that can really speed up your workflow. Want to see more? Let's dive right in. Okay, so this is the real me, and in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own AI clone, plus I'll share 5 pro tips that will help you make the most of HeyGen's most powerful new features, including a few that you may not have seen before. And stick around until the end of the video when I'll reveal how to get HeyGen at the best price. To get started with HeyGen, click the link in the description below and create a HeyGen account. You can use your email and password or use one of these other methods. I'll use my own account to sign in so I can show you around. Then click Video Avatar and you'll see 3 choices. Studio Avatar lets you create an extremely high-quality 4K avatar using a professional camera and a green screen. Photo Avatar lets you animate a photo, like the ones you see here, or you can upload your own photo. But if you want to quickly create a digital clone of yourself with your webcam, camera, or phone, click on Instant Avatar. This first screen has a demo video from Joshua, the CEO of HeyGen, but you can click the Get Started button to go to the next screen. You can create 2 types of avatars. Still is a more traditional talking head avatar with only one background. Motion avatars can walk around and travel to different places. Choose the type of avatar you want to create and follow the instructions. There are video or text instructions, but let's take a look at the text instructions for creating a still avatar. You only need 2 to 5 minutes of video footage to create your AI clone. You can use the webcam on your computer, but since most webcams aren't super high quality, it's probably best to film with a camera or your phone mounted on a stand. Check that you've got good lighting on your face and a quiet recording environment, and be sure to look directly into the camera as you speak. Just relax and be yourself. You can talk about any topic in any language. And don't worry about getting it perfect the first time around. You can always redo your recording later. A few important points. For best results, pause between each sentence with your mouth closed. Also, try to use generic gestures and keep your hands below your chest. That helps ensure that your avatar's lip movement and gestures look natural. There are a few things you'll want to avoid. This includes using stitched or cut footage, talking without pauses, moving around too much, loud noises, shadow or overexposure on your face, looking away from the camera, hand gestures above the chest, and pointing gestures. I tend to gesture a lot and move my head as I talk, so I'm going to create a motion avatar even though I'm sitting in one place. When I tested this earlier, I discovered the motion avatar option gave me the best results. I've already recorded my footage, so I'll upload that here. Answer a few questions to confirm that your face is visible at all times, that you're looking directly at the camera. There are pauses between sentences, and the environment is quiet and well lit. Okay, my footage looks good. Next, I need to record a consent video with my webcam. This confirms that I have the right to create this avatar and is a safety feature to prevent the creation of deep fakes of celebrities and people who haven't given you permission to use their likeness. HeyGen will give you a script to read, and you simply record this with your webcam, then press Submit. HeyGen will validate your consent, and in just a few minutes, your avatar will be ready. While we're waiting, let me quickly show you the motion avatar option. The great thing about motion avatars is that you have more freedom to move around, and your background can change. Here's a sample of how a motion avatar looks and sounds in action.
I'm so excited that you're going to create your first motion avatar on HeyGen. We only need a 2-minute video of you talking to train our AI.
So my AI clone is ready. Let's see how it looks. Hey Kimberly, your instant avatar is ready. Try creating videos with it. Also, click the feedback button to share what you think. Hope you enjoy. If you don't like how your clone came out, you can redo it for free. But I thought it was pretty good, so now I'll use it to create a video. Click the avatar you want to use, Choose Create with AI Studio and select Landscape or Portrait mode. If you click Script, you'll see that HeyGen has provided a default script. You can delete this script or edit it any way you like. When you preview the script, you'll hear how it sounds, but your avatar won't move, so it's not using up any credits. If you need help getting started, click the built-in GPT scriptwriter icon and ask it to generate a script for you. Those of you who use voice generators like ElevenLabs or Element can also use your API key to access those voices. If you don't like how your avatar's voice sounds, you can upload an audio file created with the voice memo on your phone or any high-quality microphone. I'll link up some optional recording equipment in the description below. I've already recorded a short audio file that I want my avatar to say, so I'll upload that now. Hey there, if you're getting value from this video, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the like button. That way YouTube will share this video with even more people. Now I'll delete those old portions of the script and we'll hit submit. HeyGen will tell you how many credits will be used based on the length of your video. Basically, 1 credit is equal to 1 minute of video rounded up to 30 seconds. If you're good with that, hit submit and your video will be generated. Hey there, if you're getting value from this video, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the like button. That way YouTube will share this video with even more people. Okay, now I'm going to share 5 pro tips to help you make the most of HeyGen's most powerful new features. Tip number 1, use video translation to quickly reach a global audience. If you want to translate an entire video into another language, simply click video translation and upload or paste your video link here. HeyGen can translate videos up to an hour long, and if you click on tips, you'll see it supports a huge number of input and output languages. I'll upload a short clip of me talking where the input language was English, and I'll choose an output language of Italian. Once my video is translated, notice that my voice essentially sounds the same, even though I'm speaking a different language.
Caricherò un breve video in cui parlo in inglese e sceglierò l'italiano come lingua di output.
By the way, I don't actually speak Italian, so if any of you do speak that language, let me know in the comments what you think of the translation. For Enterprise Plan customers, HeyGen also provides advanced proofreading and brand vocabulary tools for even higher levels of accuracy. Tip number 2, save time and money with pre-built avatars. Even if you don't want to create a digital clone of yourself, HeyGen includes many templates and pre-built avatars to accelerate your video production workflow. Just click on AI Studio and Templates to see what's available. Templates come in landscape or portrait format and they are fully customizable. I'll give you a quick overview of how it works. Choose a template and click Create with AI Studio. If you don't like the default avatar, select one of these others from this list of pre-built studio avatars. I'll choose this one called Viviana. Then right-click the avatar and choose Apply to all avatars, and instantly she'll appear throughout the video. To change your voice, click the blue voice track in the timeline, then select a new voice. You'll see a number of built-in voices, and some of them even have different emotions. This excited voice isn't exactly what I'm looking for, so I'll change the emotion to friendly. Click the voice to select it, then click these 3 dots and choose Apply Voice to Other Scripts. Instantly, her voice is updated throughout the video. You can preview the video at any time and adjust the script and graphics without consuming any credits. HeyGen tells you how many credits will be used based on the length of your video. This video is less than 30 seconds, so it only uses half a credit. The HeyGen Studio editor is pretty powerful. You can change how the avatar appears on the screen with Avatar View. There's close-up, half-body, and circle options, which you can edit and position just like any other graphic element. You can also translate the script, edit the text, add photos, videos, and music from the HeyGen library, or upload your own assets. Tip number 3, speed up UGC creation. Creating UGC or user-generated content is one of the fastest growing businesses in the creator economy. This is where you create videos for brands to run on their own social media channels. HeyGen now offers a URL to ads feature that makes UGC creation faster than ever. Here's a quick overview of how it works. Simply paste a link to a product that you want to promote from one of these popular platforms. If you want to try a sample, click one of the options here. Let's choose Roku Express from Amazon and click Generate Video. HeyGen gathers the details from the website, which you can edit here. Specify your target audience and the video language, and then press the Next to generate some sample scripts. Edit and style your selected script as needed. Then choose a template, any background music you want to use, and select a pre-built avatar. We'll choose Darren outside walking and preview the video. The avatar's lips are not yet synced to the words, but once you've submitted the video, the lip movement will be updated to match. Edit the script and graphics as needed, and when you're ready, hit submit. Of course, you'll probably want to edit the script and final video to give it a personal touch, but this can be a great starting point for UGC creation. Tip number 4, create instant highlight reels from long videos. If you have long videos like podcasts, webinars, or tutorials and need to create highlight reels for social media, check out the Instant Highlights feature. Just paste a link or upload a video and choose Get Highlights. You can give instructions about what to highlight, specify the clip duration, and choose an aspect ratio. Then hit Confirm and your highlights will automatically be generated. Processing time varies, but for this short tutorial, it took less than a minute. After it's finished, you'll see there are now 4 vertical clips and subtitles have automatically been added. Tip number 5, check out Labs to try the latest HeyGen features. Some of the most innovative HeyGen features are hidden away in this little section called Labs. This is where you can access HeyGen AI agents called streaming avatars. Select an avatar and connect it to your knowledge base, and that avatar will be able to chat and answer questions about it in real time. Personalized video allows you to import a contact list, prepare a video template, and have your avatar address the person by name at the start of your video message. And if you happen to use HubSpot, Adobe Express, Canva, or ChatGPT, HeyGen avatars can now appear in those platforms as well. Now let's talk about how to get the best price for HeyGen. HeyGen does offer a free plan with no credit card required. You can use all of the video templates and several pre-built avatars, translate videos, and get full access to the AI Studio. The free plan gives you 1 credit per month, which means you can create 1 minute of finished video. HeyGen is always innovating and adding new features to their free plan, so be sure to check the link in the description to see what's available. The paid plans give you even more options and features. Here are the prices at the time of this recording. The Creator Plan includes a lot of value and costs only $29 per month. In a few minutes, I'll show you how to get it at an even lower price. But first, let me tell you what's included in the Creator Plan. With this plan, you can create 3 instant avatars so you can film in front of different backgrounds. Or if you have their permission, create an instant avatar of a client or a colleague. The Creator Plan gives you everything in the free plan, plus faster video generation, the ability to export in 1080p, AI voice cloning, and watermark removal. Previewing videos is always free, and you can generate 15 minutes of finished video per month. If you need more credits, you can upgrade at any time to 30 or 60 credits per month. There's also a Teams plan with a multi-user workspace, 4K export, 5 instant avatars, and over 120 pre-built studio avatars. And if you want even more features plus a custom credit plan, contact HeyGen to learn about enterprise pricing. Personally, I have the monthly creator plan, and this works fine for my needs. But if you'd like to save 20% on this price, check out the yearly plan. This brings the price down to $24 per month when billed annually, and you get 180 credits to use anytime during the year, with the option to upgrade for more credits. To get started for free or to explore the different HeyGen plans, click the link in the description below. AI tools like HeyGen can be really useful if you need to speed up your workflow or produce videos at scale. To learn more about the latest AI tools, watch this video next.